A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss words and expressions unit 2. So in this we have completed a grammar part, adjectives, and the comparison of degrees of comparison. Then followed by we are doing editing part. So children, take page number 32. We are going to discuss editing part today. Have you taken, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in editing, so nearby that there is a fun fact. Have you seen, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there is homophone. A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word but differs in meaning and or how it's spelled. So in simple words, children, homophone is a word, okay, which has the same pronunciation but has a different spelling and different meaning, children. This is the meaning of homophones. Homo means similar, phone means sound, having similar sound, having same pronunciation but having different spelling and different meaning. For example, sun, sun. Okay, do you know that, children? Homophones? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Do you know or not? Look here, all of you. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Homophones. Okay. Children, we are talking about homophones. Okay, homo means similar, phone means sound. Example. Can you see? Can you look? Can you see the board, children? Example. S U N, sun. S O N, sun. See the difference? Okay, that is why I said homophones are the words, okay, whose pronunciation is the same. Sun, sun. Pronunciation is the same, okay, but has the different spelling. S-U-N, the spelling is different. S-O-N, here the spelling is different. Spelling is different. And meaning also differs. See, sun is something different from S-O-N, sun. See, see the variation, children. So these are the homophones. Understood, all of you? I'll give one more example. Peace. Peace, peace. See, peace, peace. One piece is different from here, another piece, P-I-E-C-E. See, some more words like that. Alter, alter. Yes. For example, alter, alter. Whole, whole. Okay. Okay, these are sufficient, children, because there's a fun fact also. It's more important for us. Next, coming to the editing. Some words have been omitted in the paragraph given below. Write the appropriate words and write the paragraph. The following words were written the tomb of Anglican Bishop of Westminster Abbey. Okay, these words are written on the tomb of whom? The Anglican Bishop of Westminster Abbey. So we are going to read them. So what you have to do, some words are omitted. It can be prepositions or it can be some verbs, clear? Or some certain times articles also, children. This is very important for you because you are in 9th standard. Next year you will be in 10th standard. So you need to be very careful. It's a very, very important for your exam. Clear? All of you understood? Response. I need a
Yes,
response.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Uh, any one student you read, ma? Read the paragraph. Abhinaya, read, ma.
Okay, sir. The following words were written the tomb of Anglican Bishop of Westminster Abbey. When I was young, free, and my imagination had no limits, I dreamed changing the world. As I grew older and wiser, I discovered world would not change, so I shortened my sights
Right.
somewhat and decided change only my country. But it is too seemed innumerable. As I grew my 12 years, in one last desperate attempt, I settled changing only my family, those closest to me. But alas, I couldn't. And now, as I lay my deathbed, I suddenly realized if I had only changed myself first, then an example I could have changed my family. From their inspiration and encouragement, I could then have been able better my country, and who knows, I may have even changed the world.
Okay, very good, children. So these words are very famous words on the tomb of the Anglican Bishop of Westminster Abbey. So let us find out. Okay, the appropriate words we need to rewrite them. Some words are omitted. What are those appropriate words? We need to find out them. Okay, the following words were written. Dash the tomb. What is the answer?
The following words were written on the tomb of
Yes,
Alika Bishop.
on is the right answer. The tomb of dash Anglican bishop. What is the answer?
Tomb of the
Of the Anglican bishop. I want everybody to respond, not one or two students. Everybody should respond. Okay. Next, Bishop of Westminster Abbey. When I was young, dash free and my imagination.
and free and my imagination.
Yes, when I was young and free, and my imagination had no limits. I dreamed dash changing the world.
I dreamed of
Yes, I dreamed of. Who is saying the answer?
Abhinaya, sir.
Abhinaya, you stop saying. Okay.
Okay,
Hiranya.
sir.
Next, Hiranya. I will be asking individually then. As I grew older and wiser, I discovered dash. I discovered world. What is that? Hiranya.
I discovered the world.
No. Any student? Yes, I discovered that world. I discovered that world. Okay. Hiranya. Next. So I shortened my sights somewhat and decided dash. Any student?
Sir, can I?
No. Rutvik.
Sir, two.
Yes, that's right answer. To change only my country. Full stop. But it too seemed immovable as I grew dash my twilight years. Any student? Respond quickly for preposition or article. What is there?
My. In my.
Yes, as I grew dash my twilight. Twilight here is becoming old as I
My.
grew. Yeah, my already is there. As
Sir,
I
in
grew,
my.
huh? What is the answer? In my is the answer. I I grew in my twilight years. In one last desperate attempt, I settled dash changing. I settled dash.
In, sir. In.
Yes, in is the answer. In changing only my family, those closest to me. but alas, I couldn't. Okay. And now, as I lay dash my deathbed,
Sir, on.
and now as I lay dash my deathbed,
In, sir. In.
on or in?
On, sir.
Rishit.
On, sir.
Hmm? Because there is a bed, that is why it is on. We play on bed, right? We are talking about a deathbed here. Hmm.
I lay on my deathbed.
So, and now as I lay in my deathbed, you have to say, but not on. Okay, in my deathbed, you have to say, but not on. I suddenly realize if I had only changed myself first, then dash an example. Hmm. Rishit Rao, what is the answer? Then dash an example. Rishikesh, Rishikesh, Aditya, K. Charan, respond. Yes, any student can respond. Ma.
Sir, has an. As an.
Yes, as an example. Then, as an example, I could have changed my family. Full stop. From their inspiration and encouragement, I could then have been able dash better. Have
Two,
been
sir.
able, I have been able to better my country, and who knows, I may have even changed the world. Able to. To is the answer. Clear? Okay. So your work, what you have to do, the gaps which are given here, fill in the blanks. Have you seen? Okay. There you have to write the changes what we made. So that is where the question is given. Some words have been omitted. So we have written the omitted words in the paragraph. So what you have to do, write the appropriate words and rewrite the paragraph. Again, you have to write the paragraph where the blanks are given. Some lines are given here. You need to fill them up, all of you. And then you need to put a photo at the snap of it, send it to me.
Sir, can you repeat the answers?
Okay, have you joined later? Okay, first one on, second the, next and, next of changing, next that world, next to change, in my twilight, in changing only my family, I lay in my deathbed. As an example, I could then have been able to. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Next, listening passage. Because we don't have that facility now, what you do, you read the passage and then try to answer those questions which are given here whenever there is a free time. Clear? Next, speaking activity already have given you. One of you read the speaking activity, children. K. Charan, read speaking activity. Hiranya, read ma.
Two students need to come to the front of the class for a role play. One plays the role of Tyagaraja, a famous singer, and the other the role of the interviewer, Rohit, a radio jockey. The interview is about the singer's initiatives in helping people through music.
Okay, good. Wait. Now, RJ Rohit will be Abhinaya, and then Tyagaraja will be Hiranya. Clear? Both of
Okay,
you,
sir.
yes, both of you will do the role play now. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Read once.
RJ Rohit, do you think music has any effect people's life?
Hmm.
Yes, I believe music surely has a positive effect on people's lives. It
Lives.
helps people's lives. It helps when you are stressed or depressed about something. Apart from this, music is a good way of relaxing and feeling good about life.
What, according to you, could be the influence of music on the young children?
Nowadays, young children get distracted easily. Music helps them in concentrating on what they are doing.
Rohit.
How does music help patients?
Listening to music relaxes patients. The process of healing becomes faster when they are in a relaxed state of mind.
Thank you very much. You are doing a great job for the humankind.
Yes. So children, when you are doing a role play, so you have to think that you have to put yourself in the place of the people those who are there. Tyagaraja, you have to think how Tyagaraja feels. And also RJ Rohit. For example, how does music help patients? So you have to live in that position, then we have to say the dialogues. Then it would be much better. Okay. So children, what you do, you have all of you, one or two students have sent me some videos of speaking activity. Some other students you didn't send. So that is I'm telling you. Okay, instead of role play, what do? You speak upon the topic of the importance of music in your life. Is that clear, all of you children? Mohit, you make a small video of 1 or 2 minutes speaking about the importance of music in your life.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Everybody, those who have sent, not required. Those who didn't, for them. Okay. Writing part, page number 35. Read ma. Abhinay, read. Listening to?
Okay, sir. Listening to music has become a part of our lives for many reasons. We listen to different types of music today. Discuss in the pairs the following question. Is the traditional music of a country more important than its contemporary music? Write your views in about 50 to 60 words.
Yes, what you need to do, you have to write 50 to 60 words. So what you have to write? Is the traditional music of your country more important than its contemporary music? Which one is more important for you? You need to write there. Okay, this bit children, I will say at least 2 or 3 lines, then followed by you can elaborate. Clear? Write on. Traditional music, right? Traditional music, comma, traditional music, comma, by contrast, by contrast, by contrast, expresses the culture, by contrast, comma, expresses the culture, comma, tradition, tradition, and history of a country, tradition and history of a country. I repeat, traditional music, by contrast, expresses the culture, tradition, and history of a country.
Sir, once again, can you repeat, sir, please?
Traditional music, by contrast, comma, expresses the culture, tradition, and history of a country. Full stop. And it gives narratives, narratives, and it gives of narratives of people, and their life in a way, and their life in a way that will be always, that will be always relevant. relevent, relevant. Okay, relevant. Full stop. Now you can write, you can add some points, whatever that you like, you want to extend further. Bit 2. Nivedita, read ma. Nivedita. Rutvik, read. Rutvik or Ritvik, any student. Nitisha. All the boys, turn on your videos. I want to see whether you are listening to the class or not. Turn on your videos. All the boys, turn on your videos. Yes. Ritvik Rao, take page number 35 and read bit B, writing. Rishit Rao, you read ma. Rishit. Yes. What happened? Hiranya, read.
The traits of a musician are given in the box overleaf. Use these and write a short biography in about 100 to 150 words. You may collect more information from the internet, books in the library, and other sources.
Yes, yes. This discourse, children, okay, we say writing part as a discourse, even speaking part as a discourse, but mostly discourse that they come under writing part. The traits means qualities. The traits of a musician are given in the box overleaf. Some traits, some qualities of a person are given here when you turn the page. Use this and write a short biography in about 100 to 150 words. How many words, children? 100 to 150 words you have to write. You may collect more information from the internet, books in the library, and other sources. You can collect the information and write. But whereas in the examination, you will not be getting, okay, you will not be getting internet facility, right? So that is why you have to know how you need to write the biographical sketch. Turn the page 36. Take page number 36, ma. All of you. Have you taken? Yes. So today we are talking about a biographical sketch. Hiranya, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we are talking about biographical sketch. So writing biography. So one of you tell me, what do you mean by the biography? Yes. Yeah.
Sir, writing about the great person.
Writing about a great person is the biography, right?
Yes, sir.
So who is writing?
Sir, we are writing ourselves, our story, our life story we are writing.
So that is biography.
Autobiography, sir. Biography means
Hmm.
about the writer is writing about the great person.
Mm-hmm. Biography. Okay, all of you listen, children. Biography means, okay, it is written by another person. It is written by another person. Understood, all of you? There should not be any confusion. Can you see the screen? Abhinaya, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Children, all of you listen. Biography means, okay, it is written by another person. Your biography is written by another person after the death of a person. Okay.
Sir, person who is writing about other persons.
Yes. So after your death, or maybe before also, for some people it might have taken place. We do not know.
Death or after success.
Yes, ma.
After death or after success, sir.
Yes.
They'll write.
After death or after success can be written the biography ma. Clear? Because they have some traits. What are the traits? Some qualities.
Sir, can you change the color of pen?
Okay, it's not seen clearly.
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir,
Yes,
keep black, sir. It will visible.
black color, right? Okay, black. So children, traits means some qualities of a person will be given. Based on those qualities, we can write. Next, autobiography.
A person who writes about himself.
Autobiography. You know, children, what do you mean the autobiography?
Sir, a person who writes about himself.
Yes, auto means self. Okay, writing about oneself. He himself writes an account of his life. That is called as a autobiography. Children, writing by himself. Okay. Writing by himself. So he writes his own story. That is autobiography. So there is a variation between the biography and then autobiography. So biography is something which is written by another person, not the same person, about the qualities of a person. Next, autobiography means the same person writes an account of his life. That is called as autobiography. Understood, children, the difference? Yes.
Sir, give me
Yes.
example now, sir, of autograph biography. Means a famous person who wrote about himself.
Yeah.
Name.
Sir, Wings of Fire.
So, my childhood. Have you read Wings of Fire?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Wings of Fire. So, with the help of the other person, he has written autobiography. Did you remember or forgot? Yes. Did you remember his name? Forgot. See here. Biographical sketch. How you have to write biographical sketch? Clear? Hmm. So, it is an account of. Okay. Sorry, black. Okay. First one, you have to know date
Sir,
and
we are
place.
not able to see the word, sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir. So small, sir.
Date and place of birth. First one. Second one, I'll write somewhat bigger. Okay. Family details. Now,
Sir, now we have to write that in book, sir.
family details. Clear? Third one, events in life. Events in life of a person. Okay. Before education, before education, after education, after education. Okay. So what about his life before education and then after education? We have to write regarding the person. Next, fourth, awards, awards, rewards, which means achievements of a person. Clear? Yes. Yes. What is this? Okay, achievement of a person. These are the four things that you have to remember. And finally, contribution to his field. Fourth one. Last, fifth one. Contribution. Contribution to his field. What he has contributed. So, in my childhood, we learned about, okay, what we have learned in childhood lesson, children? About whom? APJ Abdul
Abdul
Kalam.
Kalam.
So, what was his contribution to the society? Yes, he became a scientist. He has done many things. So, like that, some contribution, okay, will be there for the person. So, these are the things, ma'am. First one, date and place of birth. So, which means, so on which date he was born, and then in which place he was born. Clear? Some family details, how many children in the family. Clear? Some events in life, which means some event definitely will be there. You might, even the person might have studied in Madras, Rameshwaram in the beginning, and afterwards he went to Trichurapalli St. Joseph's College. Okay, APJ Abdul Kalam, Trichurapalli, he studied in Trichurapalli St. Joseph College in degree. Next, followed by after education. After education, he became a scientist. Then he got married. No, sorry. Awards, rewards. Some awards will be there, some rewards will be there, and then contribution to his field, what he has done, and everything you have to write in sentences. That is the meaning of biographical sketch. Understood, all of you? These are the points that you have to remember when you're writing biographical sketch, children. Somewhere you write in the page 36 itself, you write there itself, all of you. There is an empty space given there. Have you seen, children? Yes. Nivedita. Abhinaya.
Sir.
Yes. Have you written those points?
So screen is not appearing for me, sir.
Yes. For others? Abhinaya? Did you
So
write,
for
ma?
me, screen is not appearing, sir. Not visible.
Okay. Somewhere you write. I will tell you points.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Date and place of birth is the first point. Date and place of
Place
birth
of
is the
birth.
first point.
Okay,
Second
sir.
point, family details. Family
Okay.
details.
Sit in groups of 4. Each of you find information on the folk music of your state and one of the neighboring states. You may seek information from the community, library, internet, and other sources. Now ask